Hey Insurance, this is Tony Cañas, and today I am making a quick video, and I apologize, I'm recording at night, on Sunday night, and my lighting setup is not set up for night recording. So if my colors look way off, my apologies, but I really wanted to record this. Today, LinkedIn recommended a job to me at State Auto, and I have mentioned before that I am a big fan of State Auto, so I happened to open this job, and it's a small commercial underwriter role at State Auto. And here on the left side, you've got the very normal, very everyday job description, summary, key responsibilities, blah blah blah, like all the normal stuff, the education and stuff. Like this is very much what you would expect of a job posting with State Auto, right? Where it gets really interesting is here on the right side, there is this whole get matched, where you can upload your resume and actually see a match percentage, or what I'm assuming that it's a match percentage to this job. So the ATS tells you what the hiring manager is going to see of how good of a match you are. That's fantastic, and I'm guessing that that gives you the ability to redo your resume to make it a better match if you think that it should be. And also, it shows you some insights based on previously hired candidates. I'm assuming it's previously hired candidates for this same job title at State Auto. So some skills that those candidates had. So this gives you a really good idea on whether you have the right skill set for this role. Also, I love this, the number of years of experience. So about 10% of people who applied for this, who got this job in the past, had less than 2 years. About 40% had between 4 and 8, and 50% had 8+ years. So it gives you a really good idea of what kind of tenure, although that seems high for a small commercial underwriter role, but whatever. And it shows you what the job titles of prior hires were and which companies they used to work for. So this gives you some really cool intelligence into the job, and it helps you apply to the right job, basically. So I really, really love this. And it turns out that they are using a platform called Eightfold. I could figure that out because you can see the URL is stateauto.eightfold.ai. So I had to go take a look at Eightfold. One thing that is missing here, and I believe it should always be included in every job posting ever to avoid wasting anybody's time, is the pay band. So I really wish they included the pay band, kind of like Liberty does and several other companies do. So what is Eightfold? So Eightfold, I did a little research, and here's a video, a 2-minute video that Eightfold posted 2 years ago, and we're gonna go over this video, and I'm gonna pause it at times and give you my thoughts.
What if you could find and engage all the great people you need with a single solution? Eightfold's Talent Intelligence platform is the solution for today's talent challenges. Built on artificial intelligence, Eightfold analyzes each candidate profile to create accurate, personalized recommendations delivered fast and at scale.
Okay, so thus far this sounds pretty cool. AI-enabled ATS.
With Eightfold, you can precisely define the skills and experiences you need for every position and collaborate easily between recruiters and hiring managers. The platform instantly delivers a full pipeline of ranked, qualified candidates with AI-powered matching.
The example they use is software engineers, right? So I would love to see how this works in the insurance space. If anybody out there is with State Auto or any other insurance company that is using this system, I'd love to hear from you. I'd love to have you on the podcast, or I'd love to have a private conversation with you if you prefer. And same thing, if you are with Eightfold and you end up seeing this video, I would love to have you on the podcast to talk about how Eightfold works.
That considers skills, experience, past roles, and dozens of other factors. With Eightfold, you can search millions of talent records from your ATS and rediscover great candidates. Your past applicants become future prospects. You can recruit your silver medalists from past job openings and even rehire alumni who have advanced in their careers.
Now this is where I think it gets really, really, really cool, because so often I hear stories of how the resume goes into the ATS and it just never comes out. I love the idea that this particular AI-enabled ATS actually takes a look at past applicants and silver medalists. I love that concept, that if you came in second for a job and another job opens, it makes so much sense that you would get a call for that job that you almost got last time. And also, I love the fact that it also looks at your internal employees and your alumni. So what it's promising is really, really cool. I don't think any other ATS does this as far as I've seen. We'll see.
With Eightfold, you can launch a candidate-friendly career site that helps website visitors quickly find and apply to the jobs they are most qualified for, increasing the number of strong applications.
Also, it makes it look like you can just upload your resume and it tells you which jobs might be a good fit for you. And if it does that, that is super, super cool. And again, I would love to see how well that works within the insurance space.
You receive. With Eightfold, you can contact qualified candidates in bulk with personalized, targeted messages. With Eightfold, you can increase diversity according to your company's policies and goals and measure your results. With Eightfold, you can boost employee retention by matching current employees to the opportunity.
So anything that helps us as an industry increase our diversity and inclusion is a win in my book. And I love this idea of that the platform also helps you boost employee retention. And again, I would love to hear from companies that have been working with Eightfold, especially if you're in the insurance space.
Opportunities they want next in their career. Eightfold harnesses the full power of AI to help recruiters do their best work, help candidates find the jobs they most want, and help companies keep their great people, all with incredible speed and efficiency. The next generation of talent management is here.
So anyway, that's all I know about Eightfold for now. I just discovered them today. I am going to reach out and see if they're willing to come on the podcast. Again, if anybody out there has experience with this system or a system like this within the insurance space, especially systems that make it better, not only for the hiring carrier, but also for the employee or the applicant, that is exactly the kind of thing that I would love to talk about. So thank you very much for watching today. Hopefully this was interesting, and see you next time.